the average age of the bank has come down drastically, more particularly in our Hyderabad circle, as said by our CDO and the Deputy General Manager. You all know we have the history of 200 years plus, and we are the pioneers of the banking in this country. We were discharging the present day duty of Reserve Bank of India, that is the circulation of money in this country, much earlier to the formation of Reserve Bank of India. Till the Paper Currency Act 1861 came into existence in the country, we were circulating the money in this country. It means we taught banking to this country. That is the proud of this State Bank of India. We know how to work for the bank. 6-7 years back, all of you must be knowing, there was a big propaganda in the media that we may lose our premier position and one of the new generation private banks may surpass us. But with all the collective efforts of all the employees and officers and the top management in this bank, we could successfully came over of that, and we not only retained the premier position, we regained the market share also. Thereby we regained the confidence of the customers in the bank all over India. That is the commitment with which the officers and the employees and the management work in this bank. You know, recently government and RBI has decided to give banking licenses, more banking licenses. With that, the situation may drastically change in the banking industry. Some of the industrial houses have applied for the banking licenses. But recently, only 3-4 days back, I saw in the newspapers that India Post also has applied for the banking license in this country. India Post means post offices. In the same report, it was mentioned they have 1,54,800 branches in this country. Out of that, 1,42,000 branches are operating in the rural area. We are entire banking industry put together, we have only 90,000 branches in the rural India. You can imagine what will happen after the establishment of new banks. The competition will be fierce, competition will be there. We will have to work more hard. We will have to struggle a lot for the success and for the retaining the premier position of the State Bank of India. I know that we will be working, we will be saving our bank, definitely, as we have done